This is a boat that came in that was a recent purchase. It's got some nose damage to it, but the main thing is it wouldn't steer. Go ahead and turn your steering wheel. And so we stuck a new steering cable in it. Now it's doing like it's supposed to. Also, I needed a skag guard. That's straight. Go ahead and start her. And it's pumping good water. Go ahead and bring it up to about 2,000. Back down, cut it off. And they were talking about it was dieseling some. We haven't been able to get it to diesel. Go ahead and start her back up. And it needed a stern light. Now it works. Pumping water. Pop it in gear, give it a little gas.